Now you'll be needing a carrot, a clean washed carrot, some soya oil or pure olive oil. In this case I'm using a pure olive oil. Then you will need a grate or a home processor to grate your carrots. Now we'll be grating the carrots. This is our grated carrots. Then the next step is to steam the carrots in a hot oil so as to get the oil of the carrot. We'll be adding a cup of oil to the pot now. The next thing will be to add the grated carrot into the oil. We will be cooking the carrot on low heat until the carrot becomes tender and the oil turns yellow. The next thing will be to filter the oil. We'll be turning up the heat now. We've been cooking it for about 10 minutes now. So as you can see, the oil has already turned yellowish. So we'll be turning down the heat now. We will be filtering the oil using this. Now place it on a bowl to extract the oil. As you can see, the oil is yellowish. Now we'll have our homemade pure carrot oil. This is the finished product. As you can see, the oil is very yellowish. We'll have our pure carrot oil. You can use this oil to achieve a glowing skin.